In a world driven by innovation, the future belongs to those who embrace change. Technology is reshaping our reality, transforming how we live, work, and grow. But for many small and medium enterprises, the path to digital transformation is complex. High costs, fragmented systems, and the lack of resources create barriers that are hard to overcome. At Neogenius, we believe that digital transformation should be simple, accessible, and within reach for every business, no matter the size. Our mission is to bridge the gap, offering comprehensive ERP and MES solutions designed to empower small and medium enterprises. With our strategic presence in Malaysia and Singapore, we deliver cutting-edge solutions that are tailored to your business needs. We focus on seamless integration, ensuring that technology works for you without the heavy financial burden. Our mission is clear: to make the digital era accessible to all. We believe that every SME deserves the opportunity to thrive in a digital world, and we're here to make that possible by providing the tools, expertise, and support necessary for seamless digital integration. Join us, and together, let's unlock the full potential of your business. Let's build the future today. The future is digital. Neogenius, your partner in progress.